Hey guys, in this video we're going to see how you can fix a water damage or a water leak into your GoPro 6, 7 or 8. Now while I was at the beach, I had water coming into this GoPro. Now the reason being is because I have forgot to close the cap here. So I took out this cap. So this cap here can be open, and I took it out because it has a case, and I didn't want to keep putting the case on and off. So I took it out and I forgot to close it, so the water coming through here, and consequently the water got into the camera. So if that happens to you, what you can do is open up all the caps, allow cool air to go through, open the bottom cover and remove the battery. So press on this button here, allow you to pull out this cover and lift up, and then you just have to pull the tab up like this and then pull the battery out and take the battery out and allow warm air to go through. Now do not use a hair dryer to blow hot air into here. There are very fine components in here, and the hot air from the hair dryer can damage some of the electronic components. So just let it dry naturally. So we open the camera lens. So to open the camera lens, you just need to twist it this way. So just do it real hard. It can be a little bit tricky, but if you just force it to turn, it will eventually turn, as you can see. And this will allow you to remove the camera lens. You can see there are some air, water, moisture sticking to the lens right here, and there's some water here as well. So allow warm air, not hot air, just warm air, just natural warm air from the outside to go in and dry out. So just let it have as much ventilation as possible. You can see there's some water, moisture still sticking on the LCD right here. Now normally you can put this in a rice bag, allowing the rice moisture to suck the moisture out quicker. But in this scenario, I would not recommend you put it in a rice bag. The reason being is because rice can go into this battery slot and it may stuck somewhere in there and can cause further damage to your device. You can see there are a lot of tiny holes in here for the SD card. So also if you have an SD card, remove the SD card in here and just basically leave it on your windows or outside. Now I've got the sun out here, it's quite warm, so we can just leave it out here, just near the sun, probably not in direct sunlight. I reckon we just near the sun where there are a lot of high temperature, and that will cause the moisture to the water to quickly evaporate and the moisture to escape out of this open slot. So allow it to sit like that for 3 days. Do not put the battery in and switch it on. The batteries go once you put the battery in there. If you try to attempt to turn it on, it can cause short circuits and further damage to your GoPro camera. So if you want to put it in a rice bag, if you must, then make sure you cover the battery cover. You don't want the rice to go in there. You don't want the rice to go around the lens. It might scratch the lens, and you don't want to have rice sticking and stuck in the charging ports. It can be difficult to take them out, but you can have it open. I suppose rice wouldn't go all the way in, but I wouldn't put it in the rice bag. Just outside in warm air is sufficient enough to remove the moisture out of your GoPro. So yeah, give that a try and see how you go. Leave your comment in the comment section and tell me how you go. If you have any other things that you want to share with the community, please feel free to put in the comment so that everyone can benefit from your comment or from your experience, how you can go about with your own way of fixing the water leak into your camera. And you can see some water in here as well, so we're just going to wait until it dry it off. So leave it like that for a couple of days, 2 days, 3 days. If you don't need it urgent, just leave it dry off, just to be on the safe side. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.